is Chris, and I'm Cindy, and this is our salty dog Trooper and our salty kitty Stella, and we've got some salty tales to tell you. So make sure you continue watching and also click the subscribe button so you don't miss any in the future. It's the 4th of July and the weather is perfect. The boating conditions are perfect. So we took a little ride with Troopy Dooper, the boat dog, and we ended up going over to Old Saybrook to grab a mooring ball in a cove that we love going to. And then we had some friends meet up with us and tie up to our boat, and we just spent the day with them catching up and chillaxing, and it was fantastic. So we just spent a very relaxing day out in the cove where we grab a mooring ball. We swam because the water was a great temperature, and we hung out and totally enjoyed this amazing view, and we grilled out, and we just had one of the best days ever. So I just wanted to show you the view that we experienced that day because it was possibly the most relaxing day that we've had all summer. Sometimes I just can't even believe the sunsets that we're able to see from our boat. They are just absolutely stunning and breathtaking and majestic. So here you go, enjoy this sunset as we leave the cove. It's always sad when a day ends on the boat, but we have so many more adventures to go. We're not even sweating it. And that's not the town fireworks. These are just neighbors. That's crazy. There's fireworks everywhere.
Oh yeah. There's two big, huge ones.
Oh my God, that's so neat. But unfortunately, it's not fun for this baby. You guys, I don't want to bore you with just fireworks nonstop, but this is legit the most insane fireworks I've ever seen that weren't put on by an event or a town. These are literally neighbors in the neighborhood on the other side of our marina. And apparently every year they compete and light off an insane amount of fireworks. And we were just so blown away. It was up and down a couple different streets in the neighborhood. So it's the day after the 4th of July and we're off from work. So we took the boat out with some friends and just anchored up. Clearly Trooper is super duper in love with our friend Colleen. And we just chilled out on anchor and caught up with some other friends. It was a nice day. We are on our way to, where are we going? I don't even know. Oh, Sag Harbor, which is part of the Hamptons. We just celebrated Chris's birthday. Well, we didn't celebrate Chris's birthday, but so Chris just had a birthday, so that was his birthday gift surprise. We're going to the Hamptons. again. Sag Harbor, we've never been there. It looks super cute. I cannot wait. It is very overcast today and a little sprinkly, and the visibility is a little limited, so that's a bummer. That was not in the forecast, but other than that, we're supposed to have a good trip. So I'm excited. I think Trooper's excited. I don't think his CBD kicked in yet. What do you think, Pooper Doop? Super duper Trooper? Are you excited? Are you excited?
What's that?
Are you excited?
Oh, super excited. Oh, yeah.
Get excited! Alright, Trooper, let's get your life jacket on. We always put Trooper's life jacket on when we're going underway, because if something was to happen and we were in a rush to get off the boat for some reason, we know it would just be easier if Trooper already had his life jacket on, because in my mind, and I think in Chris's mind, he is our priority besides each other. And so we just make sure he has it on so that way if anything happens, he is already ready to go. All good?
Yep.
Nice.
Sweaty.
Ew. Set up here for me and Trooper. Water, the temperature out on the water is only going to be 70 degrees. So I bring a blankie. My Harry Hansen. Oh, Trooper's getting himself situated. He's getting nervous. You go ahead, hop up. You silly boy. You're a silly boy. So he strained his ACL a couple weeks ago, so he's struggling a little to get up and down. Trooper, stop kicking.
This is cool.
Is so neat. Oh boy, there's gonna be a party tonight, buddy.
All right.
This is really cute.
Yeah.
I am so glad we came.
It's neat.
It is. We didn't film a lot in Sag Harbor because there were dogs everywhere. Trooper was reacting to them. There was a lot of people and it was just very busy, but it was adorable and we highly recommend checking out that little downtown area. Buddy, it's okay. So that is the fastest we've ever left a marina. They kind of miscommunicated the checkout time. They didn't communicate it correctly, so we had to hurry up and go because they had someone else coming into our slip. So I didn't get to film anything this morning because that was that. But here we are, we're on our way home. And we loved Sag Harbor. It was pretty cool. So if you are in the area of Long Island and you've never been to Sag Harbor, you need to go. It's really, really cool. So Trooper has his CBD cookies and calming treats in Serenia, but I think they were a little slow kicking in because we had to leave so quick, but I think he's doing all right now. It seems like as soon as we get up on plane, as long as it's calm, he's fine. It's just like the slow, you know, this. He doesn't like that. This is gorgeous though, and it's a zoo. There's like folks everywhere. I know it doesn't look like it, but there is. Heading home is always bittersweet. We leave behind the places we go, but we'll always bring with us the memories that we made. Maybe someday we'll be doing this every day for the rest of our lives.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.